let us see few applications of question answering system. The first one is search engine enhancement. So the best example is Google's featured snippets. So they usually provide direct answers to user question at the top of the search. So see, when users search for specific questions, how Google is providing answers. So here Google's question answering system, it extracts relevant information from web pages and displays it prominently. The second one is virtual assistants. So we know few examples like Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. So these are the virtual assistants which mainly utilize the question answering systems to provide answers to user questions or voice commands. So they can provide information, they can set reminders, control smart home devices, or perform various tasks based on user queries. Next, educational tools. So we are using Quillions, which is an AI powered tool, and it is mainly useful for the educators in order to generate quiz questions. And with the help of this, even study materials from educational content can even be generated. And also here, it mainly uses question answering systems to analyze the text and generate questions based on this content. Then medical diagnosis and decision support. So we are using ADA Health. Okay, so which is again AI powered symptom checker. So that helps the users to analyze the symptoms and understand their health conditions. So again, it is using question answering system to gather information about user symptoms and provide personalized health insights. Next, we have customer support chatbots. So we are using ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, which is powered by OpenAI. So this can be integrated into customer support chatbots. And it uses question answering system technology to understand user inquiries and provide relevant assistance, thus reducing the workload on human support agents. Even you can use a Socratic by Google, which is again a mobile app that uses question answering technology to help students with their homework. So that comes under educational assistance again. And then language translation. So we are using this Google Translate, right? So which is a machine translation service. Again, it is using question answering system in order to translate text from one language to another language. So user can input question in one language and Google Translate provides the corresponding answer in another language. Next one is expert systems. So this IBM Watson for oncology, again, it uses question answering technology to help oncologists. So thus they can provide treatment recommendations for cancer patients. So it analyzes the patient data. So how it is providing recommendations? First, it analyzes the patient data, medical literature, and clinical guidances in order to generate evidence-based treatment options. Then enterprise knowledge management. So we are having Kyra systems. So which is a kind of contract analysis software. Again, here also we are using question answering system to provide information from legal documents. So in that way, it is helping the organizations to manage their contracts more efficiently by identifying key clauses, risks, and various obligations. So this is how we are using question answering system in various applications.